I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin barely hanging on by a thread. This is a Bitcoin 12-hour chart. We're going to zoom in for some more detailed information, but we had this potential breakout of the diagonal trend line. Bitcoin's been in this falling wedge for an extended period of time, and the price action essentially just got rejected by this resistance and rolled over. Weak. The bulls need to show up here and hold this level. Previously, we had a bounce at this level, bounce at this level, bounce at this level. If the bulls lose this level, we're looking for much lower prices, 18,900, 17,600, potentially 16,500. So pay attention to what Bitcoin's doing. Potentially the black or gray cloud over crypto right now is that the Fed comes out and they said, hey, we're going to remain hawkish. We're going to continue to do what we need to drive the dollar higher. We're going to, they essentially said average Americans are going to take a hit over how the economy plays out over time. So they're not loosening up. You can expect the Fed to obviously continue to raise the rates. They have got to strengthen the dollar to slow down inflation. So that cloud is overhanging the entire market. Okay, so until the United States economy starts to turn around, you have to be concerned about the price action of Bitcoin. Now, will we see bounces? Of course. Of course. Everybody's hoping for at least a rally to 22,000. There's a ton of resistance up there. But again, you lose this key trend line around 19,600. You're looking for a potential Bitcoin downside. You do not want to see the bulls lose this level. There's low volume. Like, this is not very much volume coming in right now. It's the weekend, right? It's not very much volume, but you haven't had that much volume, right? The market's weak. And so it's very important that you take advantage. If Bitcoin were to drop, you take advantage of lower priced Bitcoin. Right? These are times in the bear market where you think about, okay, I'm going to start accumulating. Now, the most important thing about accumulating cryptocurrency is I like to accumulate the start of an uptrend. Okay, so this technically is an uptrend. Just as an example, here you have your low, your high. This is a slightly higher low. So I would begin accumulating here at the higher low. Okay, so if there is any type of break to the downside, plan A, plan B. Plan A is you bounce here and you go up and you test 20,500 and then 22,000, right? That's plan A. Plan B is you get a break to the downside and then you look for a higher low to accumulate Bitcoin. You can pretty much be as close to positive as possible that over time, Bitcoin's going to go to much higher prices than 19,700, right? So it's always about, can we get a better price? Can we scale in? The economy in the United States and really on a global scale is in a lot of trouble. So the opportunity to pick up Bitcoin at a lower price would be golden. Pay attention to this market. Now, make or break now for Bitcoin. Here it is. So previously I had this falling wedge drawn and you had this bull trap. The bulls right here are trapped and the price action slowly sliding down lower, right? This trend line here, bounce. If this key level doesn't hold, you're looking for Bitcoin downside. Very important that the bulls put in a bounce at this level. Don't want to lose about 19,600 here. Make or break for Bitcoin. Bulls have to show up here. That's some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person started with $9,000. Now he cashed out 200 grand, still has 230,000 in his crypto trading account. Said, I thought your group was expensive. The group pays for itself. It's a no-brainer. The biggest no-brainer in the history of man, period. This person, I made a couple smaller trades. I made $2,000 overnight. This person, I started with $1,000 2 months ago, and today I'm at $22,000. This person, Jen, a year ago, she joined the trading group. She's up 15,386%. That's 153x. You start with 1,000 and you have 153,000. Constantly nailing the bangers. Acoin, 60% profits. Kdon, 55% profits. These are gem pick bangers on Kucoin. 80% gains out of SHX. Given 60% off and an additional $100 discount to get you in the group today. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. Can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. The most important thing you need to understand is you are trading against the elite. You have got to be better at least than some of the market. When new money comes in, it's easy because then you'll be the wolves. This drag session of bear market, this will give you the experience you need to take the new money. The sheep, new people in crypto, never take profits. They hold blindly. They don't know any better. This is going to get so much easier to trade, and it's very important that you position yourself now. Billionaires are made in the bear market. You have to be able to buy when everybody else is scared. This is one of the most amazing shout outs that I've seen in my group. This person, he's the CEO of the number 7 company on the Inc. 5000, the fastest growing 5,000 companies. Their company grew 28,000%. He reached out to me, the CEO, and he said, hey, we made $2 million last year just trading based on the charts, even filling our bag, turning up new validators based on what we were learning in the group. The whole team in my group. Ethereum, make or break right now. It's just the way it is, right? Falling wedge, I mean, potentially you have a breakout and it's coming down here to retest. You do not want to see it break back into the pattern. Otherwise, it just becomes a bull trap and there's extensive downside, right? So again, real weak price action. The bulls have got to show up here. What is going to call this move in this market is right here, ES1. This is the stock market, S&P 500, E-mini futures. So we talked exactly about this 68% chance of a break to the upside. You got that, but then you got rejected. So the bulls have to hold this level. You need a double bottom here to change the game for Bitcoin. Obviously, the altcoins will follow. So very important that stocks move higher. But again, gray cloud looming. The Fed, hawkish, want to continue to do everything they can to strengthen the dollar, which is bad for crypto, bad for the stock market. This is the DXY, dollar index, compared to a basket of other fiat currencies. The bull flag breaks out to the upside. This thing's going parabolic. It put in a higher high. Now, on the RSI, it's got a lower high, so there is some possible bearish divergence, but this thing continues to the upside. It's not going to be good for stocks and crypto. Ethereum, BTC. So this is a good way to gauge the strength of altcoins, right? So this is Ethereum compared to Bitcoin has been very strong move to the upside. It's been outperforming Bitcoin. I mean, we caught 50% gains on Ethereum USDT. Now here is the overhead resistance. So all the sellers are right here. If this were to break out, you're looking at upside for altcoins in general, especially Ethereum, obviously. So Ethereum's got a ton of news, but I don't care about the news because Bitcoin can drag this market down lower. So pay attention. I time the Bitcoin moves with Bitcoin dominance. And so you'll notice anytime you have major pivots on this chart, you'll see moves out of Bitcoin. So now you've got this falling wedge coming down to this support level. Be ready for a move out of Bitcoin based on this idea. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.